Hello everyone, so let's discuss how our Jane Street HFT indicator worked, how it performed today during the live hours and on such a special expiry day today, and the index was nifty today. And also if you visit my X profile and check it out, so I have posted many live analysis like this one today as well to show you how it's working live market, because people don't believe until unless they see the results live. Okay, and even yesterday also I showed you live, call writing was happening, and then like huge call writing was happening at like worth of 400 cr, and finally nifty came down. Okay, so everything is built on data and mathematics. Nothing is I'm doing some cheating, because I can't cheat or anything, because I can't change any formula in the middle or something, because the people are having, like, the members are having access to this indicator and they are accessing it real time. Okay, so now coming back to here how it performed today. So if you look at the main thing, that is yesterday call writing happened, and also at the end if you look at here, that is some put writing also happened. Now today I was using the setting like the ATM that I took was 23,100, and yes, so the time frame, as I told you, like it's every 1 minute it's updates the whatever results it got. If you have premium membership, you can also go below like 30 seconds or whatever. So index was nifty, and strike interval, in nifty it's 50. You can also make it 100 if you don't want to go for the analysis on the 50 strike intervals. And strike count, I made it 4, because the ATM and 3 out of the money call and 3 out of the money put. Okay, you can also make it like 7, 8 or 10 as well, according to your wish, because as see, yeah, so see, nothing, almost the same result you will be getting, just some more money would be shown because of the more like positions that are getting formed. But overall almost the same analysis. Okay, because why I don't take out of the money, so far out of the money on if I'm not expecting a huge move, because at the out of the money, hedging positions will be taken as buying positions, so some wrong signals can come. Okay, so that's why, to avoid it. Now coming back to what happened, so if you look at here, that is this huge call writing happened today. Now you would say that after that market went up, but that's not the point. The point is that these big guys, they know that, like, after like today is expiry day, and ultimately market has to, like, suppose they have done call writing at 23,100 or 23,200 or between that. So now ultimately they know that we have to make the market at 20. So ultimately if market ends at 23,100, then we are safe. Okay, and even if you look at here afterwards also, they're like so this was the amount, almost like the call writing amount is, if you see, uh, it's almost, sorry, 40 45 cr. Okay, and if you look at here, so sorry, I think I made some mistake. Oh, sorry, it's 93 cr. Okay, so this is yeah, sorry, my minus. Yeah, so this is 93 cr, so almost 100 cr of call writing. Okay, and this one is almost 65 cr, this one is almost 47 cr. So if you include this and all these call writing that happened, okay, so then it's almost like more than 500 cr of call writing that was done, and finally market nifty fell. Okay, so now in between, one of the major signal was this one. Okay, so if you look at here, that is suddenly like deep green, totally deep green. Even if you go to the 1 minute chart, so look at here, 11:39. So the algo, the big institutions use, punch the whole order of like 40 cr of call buying all at once at 11:39. Okay, let's see what happened after that. So market was nifty was at around 23,200. So let's go and check 23,200 call. Okay, and let's go to the 11:39. So this is 10. So here, okay, 11:35 to 11:40, this is the candle, 11:39. So the price was almost 42. Okay, and it jumped to 72. So 30 points in the call buying. So almost like a good return. Okay, so that is what these algos do. You should understand. And they are much happier with that much of return. Okay, because their name is high frequency trading algos, so they are like only interested at max in 10%, I think. So anyways, coming down to here as well, like again, this whole setup not only catches these high frequency trading algos, and also like the big institutions as well. Okay, so now yes, so talking about here, that is like coming down here when market was falling, then like almost 100 CR of put writing happened here. I posted it here, so put writing started, and then you see that almost you see that this move might be looking small, but it's at like 2355. Okay, Nifty is at 2355. It went to 23,100. So 45 points move, and 45 points move when like not even like almost 2.5 hours. No, it's at around 2 p.m. So 1.5 hours remaining for the expiry. So huge decay happens if you just even able to capture 40 points. So that was the thing. And even at the end also, when it came down here also, some put writing was happening. I posted this on X, and this was the amount was almost 36 CR. Okay, so then also like it happened, and one of the major reason here put writing happened, and then market went up, and again right at the top you see some call writing also happened here, some put buying also was done. Okay, and finally again market fell. So again you see that everything and also our level, as we so I mentioned it earlier as well, 23 237, that also perfectly worked out, and everything I hope worked out, and I hope you liked my analysis and live analysis, live post on X, and also like talking about the challenges. You should understand that building such an indicator takes some. There are many challenges. What are the challenges? First of all, you have to identify whether the big guys are making long positions or short positions, because whenever someone is buying puts, so someone is writing puts as well. Okay, so there you have to identify which side is the strong hand. Now that is the first challenge. Now the second challenge is out of the long positions, you have two options: either call buying is happening, or put writing is happening. In the short position, there are two options: either call writing is happening or put buying is happening. Okay, so these these were the challenges. Now the most main challenge was the part where like the main problem again was, the next problem was that if you go and make a profile search of the word reversal, you'll see that I used to like I have posted many reversals, reversals like this, like before it started reversing, I posted it. Okay, and caught many reversals. Now the main problem was that sometimes I used to get like I used to say the members like, so now put buying is happening, now call buying is happening. Now I used to get sometimes like both the signals. Okay, there I used to get confused, like now which side to go. Okay, so both I get the long and the short signal. So then this problem I solved it like last month, which was basically to see that who is putting more money. Okay, so who is putting more money, and that is like will give me the thing, that is to go with the one which is putting the more money. Okay, because here I see that the call writing side is putting like 500 CR of call if you calculate the whole thing. So 500 institutions are making 500 CR worth of call writing. So it's not a joke. Okay, so yes, these temporary green moves they can come, but overall I get a clear picture that market has like a high probability again to go down. So that is how the all these challenges, like the 3 or 4 challenges, have been solved, and finally you are getting this result. And again, if you want to be if you want to catch the live if you want to catch live these big guys, so again you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. So again, I see that many people are coming and going for members login or something. You don't have to like whatever option suits you best, so you can just go get started and add to cart and go to the cart and then just go for checkout. Okay, and as soon as you are done with the payment, so if you proceed for the checkout, so you'll get this. You have to fill up this and place order, and the you have to make the payment, and Then right after that, we will be contacting you and adding you to our money flow indicator, and this Jane Street indicator, and also the complimentary access to the Telegram channel, where I'll be there to to help during the live hours. Like sometimes it might be that if I feel that sometimes some false signal is coming or something, so that I can update you, or sometimes market is bearish but still green signals are coming, so I can what I am thinking I can share there. So that's the thing. Or if I feel that we will do sell on rise, so I'll share it there. Okay, so that's the idea, that's the goal. And yeah, so that's it for this video. So I hope you liked my analysis. So then do put a don't forget to put a like, and thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.